What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Kayla Helena, and I'm back with another entertaining video.
Body that ate it up and gave it back. Yeah, you look good, but they still wanna know we're making it. Saucy like a barbecue, but you won't get your baby back. See me in that dress and he felt like he almost tasted that. Num, eat it up. Go play okay, 3, 2, 1. You know I'm the hottest, you ain't never gotta heat me up. I'm present when I'm absent, speaking when I'm not there. Call him Gary Cass, I call him Carol Baskins.
So you guys, as you guys saw by the title, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I keep my car clean on a regular day basis. And I'm just going to be showing you guys what I do to keep my car clean from the inside, the outside, and the smell. So first things first, we're going to the car wash. If you guys don't know, I do have a car wash membership, meaning I pay $14 a month and I pretty much can go wash my car as many times as I want. I can literally go to the car wash 3 times in one day and it just be that. So that's where I'm headed right now. I'm gonna come back to you guys once I'm there. Really the main thing I'm gonna be doing first is just running the car through the car wash so it can get the body clean. And if you guys don't know also that you can get you can use the free vacuum. You can use the free vacuum. This car's on literally the wrong side of the road, so I was confused. But you can use their free vacuum to vacuum out your car, and that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So I'm gonna be vacuuming out my car, and I'm also gonna be washing down the seats. I need to vacuum the seats out. I'm like literally doing the deepest deep cleaning today. I forgot to say this before we get into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go follow me on all my social medias in the description box below. Also, don't forget your girl, hey, we on the road to 900 subscribers. Right now we're at like 870 currently as of right now, so we're gonna keep going, y'all. Just keep, hey, I love all the love, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Like, seeing people subscribe to my channel, it makes me so happy because I feel like you had to subscribe to my channel for a reason. So obviously that means you're into my content. So that just makes me so happy. And I had a girl had commented on one of my videos and said, I can't wait till you get to 1K. And I just feel like that was like amazing because I'm like, wow, other people are wishing good vibes and good energy on my YouTube channel. And I'm just like, wow. And I'm really not even that big yet. Like, I haven't even hit 1,000 subscribers yet. So I'm just like, wow, that's crazy that actually people want me to meet that. They want me to meet that goal. Like, that means a lot. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. But I'm gonna come back to you guys. Like I said, thank you guys so much. I love all of you. It's like very appreciated. If you guys don't know, I literally respond to all my comments. So keep commenting down below because I do respond to y'all comments, not gonna lie. But yeah, and don't forget to request any videos in the comments. And yeah, I'm gonna come back to you guys once I'm at the car wash. I'm literally in a turning lane to pull in the car wash right now. So yeah, I'm just waiting to pull in right now, literally. And we're here, sir. So we're here. Literally, I'm about to just pull through. It's a long line, y'all. So that sucks. I don't know if you saw, but it just scanned my thing, my barcode, and so it went up. So I'm pretty much about to join the line. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can literally like just watch the car wash vibe with me, okay? Because I love car washes. But yeah, so I'm just gonna record the car wash. Then once I find somewhere that I'm gonna vacuum, because it's a lot of people here today. Everybody want their car clean. Okay, so what I use to keep my car smelling good is I use the Little Tree, and I use this in New Car Smell because New Car Smell is the best smell. And I use this spray. You can find this at your local gas station. I get these at the gas station together. It's called, this is the flavor Baby Powder, and I don't know what brand this is. It's called Blunt Power Air Freshener. So yeah, I use the smell Baby Powder. This and this mixed together, bomb. Babies and new car, period. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and start vacuuming my car. I'm about to listen to music, of course, while I vacuum my car. You guys probably won't hear what I'm listening to because it can't get copyrighted. Of course. right, y'all, so I just got done washing my car. Pretty much I literally wiped down the entire board. I wiped down all the seats. I vacuumed the entire car. I just sprayed my spray. And what else did I do? Oh, I have a small little trash can. I'm backing up, y'all, hold on. So I have like a little miniature trash can, so that's why you probably didn't see me like throw out a lot of trash, because I literally never throw trash on the ground, because I have this like little trash can that clips onto the back of my seat right here. So literally when I drive, I just dump trash in there. So I clean that out, and that's pretty much it. That's literally how I keep my car clean. I would recommend, if you don't like washing your car at home, or you don't like doing that type of stuff, I recommend getting a car wash membership at your local car wash, or just paying every time you go just to keep your car clean. I always keep my car clean. A lot of people get in my car, not a lot of people, but people get in my car and like, how do you keep your car clean? You always keeping your car clean. So I made this video because a lot of people are like, you always have your car clean. And I'm just like, duh, who wants a nasty car? Especially I just got this car, so I want to keep good habits to keep my car clean. So to all my new car people, when you get your car, start off with the habit of keeping your car clean. Also get your portable trash can. That's useful as well. Get in the habit of always going to get your car clean monthly. I probably go every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on the weather and if I go through like mud or something. So I recommend keeping your car clean, not gonna lie to you. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was literally just how I keep my car clean, like showing you guys what I do when I get my car clean. Like, that's literally what I do. And I typically clean my, typically I spray Lysol in my car, but I left my Lysol at home, so typically I do try to spray Lysol just so I keep germs out, just in case, people get in my car. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful to show you guys how, to keep your car clean or whatever. This video is probably going to be short after I edit it, but like I said, it's requested. People always want to know how I keep my car clean, so boom, here you guys go. Now it looks all nice and clean. A lot of people don't get in my back seat, so I really didn't spend a lot of time on that, but everything is so nice and wiped down, y'all. Like, it looks so pretty in here. Like, it looks mad good, period. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and keep telling me what you guys want to see. But before you click out this video, first of all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go follow your girl on all her social medias in the description box below. Period. The sun is hitting today. Like, today's a good day, period. But I hope I can see you guys in my next video. Bye.